Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Clarity English Studio. We are happy you are here. I'm Anna.
And I'm Mike. Hello to all our listeners. It's great to be with you today. Anna, I need to tell you something. It's a little embarrassing.
Oh, I like embarrassing stories. What happened, Mike?
You know how January starts? Everyone feels so motivated, they want to change their lives.
Yes, it's the new year, new me feeling. Let me guess, you joined a gym?
How did you know? Yes, I joined the gym on January 2nd. I was very motivated. I signed up for a whole year.
January 2nd is very fast. Most people just think about the gym for a week.
I know. I was so excited. I went all in. I bought new workout clothes. I got new shoes. I even bought a fancy water bottle.
That sounds like a great start. So, what is the embarrassing part?
I only went to the gym 3 times. Just 3 times, Anna. Then I stopped going.
3 times? Mike, it's only January 9th today.
I know, that makes it worse. I already fell off the wagon.
You fell off the wagon. That's a great phrase. It means you stopped a good habit. You started something healthy, then you stopped doing it.
Exactly. Now I have an expensive gym membership. I have to pay for 11 more months. I probably won't use it.
Well, that is a very common January story. It's a perfect topic for today. We are talking all about January in English. Short musical transition.
First, we want to ask a small favor. Are you enjoying this podcast? Does it help your English?
If yes, please hit the subscribe button. It helps our show a lot. And please give this episode a like or a review.
Thank you so much for your support. Now, Anna, a question for you. Do you like January?
That is a tough question. I want to like it. It feels like a fresh start. But January can be difficult.
Why do you feel that way?
Just think about December. It's so exciting. There are holidays and parties. There is so much good food. Everyone is happy.
That's true. December is a magical month.
Then January comes. Everything is normal again. The decorations are gone. The fun is over. People go back to work.
You're talking about the January blues.
Exactly. The January blues. It's a sad feeling. It happens after the holidays end. My house feels so empty.
I agree. The house looks so plain, the weather is cold and dark. The holiday spirit is gone.
Then there's the money problem. You look at your bank account, you see how much you spent. It can make you feel sad.
Yes, many people are broke in January. That's a casual word. It means you have no money or very little money.
I am very careful with money this month. I try not to shop much. I'm recovering from December.
Me too, except for my gym membership.
We'll talk more about that. But I do like one thing about January. It's a chance to hit the ground running.
Hit the ground running. What does that idiom mean?
It means you start something new with energy. You start right away. You don't waste time.
Like I did with the gym. I hit the ground running.
Yes, and then you hit the couch.
That's true. But why is it so hard to keep these goals?
I think people bite off more than they can chew. This is another great idiom. It means you try to do too much. The task is too big or too difficult.
I understand. People make huge plans. I will go to the gym every day. I will learn a new language. It's too much.
Exactly. So they get tired, they give up quickly. The secret is to start small.
So instead of every day, I should say twice a week. That sounds more realistic.
Yes, you should ease back into it. This phrase means you return to something slowly. You don't rush. You take your time.
I like that. Ease back into the gym. I can do that. Thanks, Anna. So do you make goals in January?
I do, but I don't call them resolutions. The word resolution feels too serious. It sounds like a strict rule.
So what do you call them?
I call them intentions. It feels gentler. It is more flexible. My intention is to read more books this year.
Intentions. I like that word. So what are your intentions?
I want to read one book each month. I also want to cook new kinds of food. I want to try Thai or Italian recipes.
That sounds like a fun intention.
What about you, Mike? Do you have other intentions?
Yes, I want to stay in touch with old friends. I'm not good at it. Life gets very busy.
I understand that. It's a common problem.
So my intention is to call one old friend each month. It's a small goal. I think I can do it.
That's a wonderful intention. It's very achievable. Now, it's time to review some key vocabulary words we used in our conversation.
These words are very useful when talking about winter vacations and holidays.
Vacation means time away from work or school to rest or travel.
Example sentence. I'm excited about my winter vacation this year.
Relax means to rest and feel calm without stress. Example sentence. During winter vacation, I like to relax at home.
Cozy means warm, comfortable, and pleasant, especially in cold weather. Example sentence. The cabin felt cozy on a cold winter night.
Destination means the place you are traveling to. Example sentence. Our winter vacation destination was a snowy mountain town.
Crowded means full of people. Example sentence. Winter resorts are less crowded than summer beaches.
Recharge means to get your energy back. Example sentence. Winter vacation helps me recharge for the new year.
So, today, we talked about winter vacation, traveling, relaxing, and enjoying quiet time.
We also shared personal experiences and learned useful English vocabulary.
Now, we'd love to hear from you.
Have you heard of dry January?
Yes, that's when people don't drink alcohol. They stop for the whole month of January.
Exactly. It's a challenge. It's a way to reset your body. It is popular after the December parties.
My sister does it every year. She says she feels healthier. She also saves money.
I could not do that. I like a glass of wine sometimes.
That's okay. It's not for everyone.
It makes January feel even longer. January already feels like the longest month.
I know. The days feel so slow. The weather is cold and gray. It gets dark very early.
It makes me want to hibernate.
Hibernate? Like a bear in the winter? Just sleeping for months?
Exactly. Just wake me up in March.
I feel the same way, but we can't. We have to work.
But there is one good thing. It's okay to be boring in January. No one expects you to go out.
That's a great point. You can stay home, you can wear pajamas, you can watch movies. There's no guilt.
It's also a good time to declutter.
Declutter. What does that word mean?
To declutter means you organize a space. You get rid of things you don't need. This messy stuff is called clutter.
I need to do that. My closet is full of old clothes. It's part of the fresh start feeling.
The hardest part of January is going back to work. The holiday is over. You have to set an alarm again.
I agree. The first Monday is the worst. You open your email, you see hundreds of messages.
It takes a few days to ease back into the routine.
There's that phrase again, ease back into. It's the perfect theme for January.
But January is not all bad. It is a clean slate. You have a whole new year.
That's a good way to think, and it's a great time to learn English. Our listeners are doing that right now.
That's true. You are all learning and practicing. You should be proud of that.
Now we have a challenge for you. Please leave a comment. Tell us one goal you have for this year.
Try to write it in English. You can say, my intention is to, or I hope to. Don't worry about mistakes.
We love reading your comments. Also, tell us how you feel about January.
I have one last question for you. Should I go back to the gym? Is it too late?
It is never too late, Mike. You just took a little detour. Go back tomorrow, just for 20 minutes. Ease back into it.
You're right. I will. I'm going to the gym tomorrow morning.
That's the spirit. Thank you for listening today, everyone. We hope you learned some new phrases.
Remember to be kind to yourself. You don't have to be perfect. Start small.
Please subscribe to our show. Give this episode a thumbs up. Share it with a friend.
Thank you for being here. We are cheering for you. Keep practicing.
Happy learning, everyone.